Hello guys, this is gonna be a quick tip video for a Range Rover Evoque turbocharger common failure. Actually, it's not the turbocharger itself that fails. Actually, here we have exhaust manifold failure, which exhaust manifold is part of the turbocharger. And what fails here is exhaust manifold is built out of this stamped metal pieces, and they're all welded together, and the stamped metal is welded here for the flanges. So we have stress cracks here around the exhaust runner. Especially seems like always starts with the driver's side here edge, and this particular one has also exhaust leak on the passenger side. It's a very unpleasant failure because exhaust gas is actually entering inside the cab when you drive, and despite this, it doesn't trigger check engine light or anything. Turbocharger still operates properly despite this exhaust leak before the turbocharger. It's apparently not as significant to cause low boost pressure fault. But yeah, this is very unfortunate how they built this and fails in this manner, but this is it. This is why we replaced the turbocharger on this Range Rover Evoque. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.